Have you ever looked up in the night sky and seen that something is missing? If you have been following the news, you may have heard that the moon has gone missing. But don't worry, it will come back. But why did it go away in the first place? The moon went away because it was stolen. Recently, a series of strange events has been happening all over the world. As we delve deeper into space, we discover that the moon's orbit is constantly changing. It's like a roller coaster ride. One theory is that the moon has gone so far away that it is no longer in our planetary system. The moon is held in orbit by the gravitational force of the Earth. Wouldn't it destroy everything below it? You're right. If a large object like the moon were to fall from the sky, it would cause catastrophic damage. Cities would be destroyed and entire countries could be wiped off the map. Luckily, this hasn't happened. So where is the moon? Maybe it didn't fall to the Earth, but instead it fell into a black hole. Black holes are regions of space with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They are invisible, but their presence can be felt by the way they affect objects around them. Some say that the moon was sucked into a black hole that opened up in the sky. However, this is unlikely to be the case. Black holes are relatively rare and there is no evidence that one has opened up near the Earth. If the moon were to go far enough away, the Earth's gravity would no longer be strong enough to hold it in orbit and it would leave our solar system forever. Or maybe it's simply on the other side of the Earth, hidden from our view. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Meanwhile, we will keep looking for answers. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They too can express their opinions. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Your support motivates us to create more interesting content for you. Thank you for watching. Until next time. But if the moon were to go so far away, it would take a very long time. The speed of the moon in orbit is about 1,000 miles per hour. Even if the moon were to stop orbiting the Earth completely, it would still take several months to leave our planetary system. So where is the moon now? It's possible that it's on a different part of its orbit, farther away than usual. This could be why we haven't seen it in the sky recently. Sometimes it gets very close to the Earth, and sometimes it moves far away from us. At its closest point, the moon is about 363,104 miles from the Earth, and at its farthest point, it's 405,696 miles away. This means that if the moon were to suddenly disappear from the sky, it would only be temporary. Eventually, it would reappear in a different part of the sky. So where exactly is the moon? Has it gone very far away or is it hiding somewhere nearby? Unfortunately, we do not have enough data to answer this question. Large areas of fog have appeared where there should be none, and in some places, time itself seems to have stopped flowing. According to official data, the last time the moon was seen was on March 24, 2024. What do you think? Did aliens come down from another planet and take the moon with them? This theory is based on the fact that the moon has suddenly disappeared without a trace. There are no records of any meteor impacts or other astronomical events that could explain its absence. It's as if the moon has vanished into thin air. Proponents of this theory believe that aliens must have come down from another planet and taken the moon with them. After all, It's not every day that you see a giant rock disappear from the sky. But why would aliens want to steal the moon? Some say they need it for their own use, while others believe they plan to sell it to the highest bidder. It's also possible that the aliens just wanted to take a souvenir from another planet. Who knows? Maybe they saw it as a giant rock in the sky and thought it would look great in their living room. Whatever their reasons, the fact remains that the moon is missing and there is no sign of it coming back anytime soon. Since then, the moon has been absent from the night sky for 16 days now. For perspective, let me tell you that the moon goes through phases. One complete cycle lasts about 27 days, so the moon has been missing for more than half a cycle. This raises a question. Could the moon really disappear completely? The answer is yes. The moon can sometimes hide from our view, a phenomenon known as a new moon. During this phase, the moon is between the sun and the earth, so the side facing us is not illuminated, so we can't see it. But the moon isn't just invisible, it's still there. We know this because the gravitational pull of the moon on the tides hasn't changed. All the evidence indicates that although we can't see the moon, it's still in orbit around the Earth. So where is it? Why isn't it in the sky? To understand what's going on, we need to look beyond Earth's atmosphere. These weird occurrences have made headlines around the world. But there is one thing that no one seems to be able to explain. Where is the moon? Every night when the sun goes down, people expect to see the moon shining brightly in the sky. However, for several nights now, the moon has not been visible at all. Some say it has been kidnapped by aliens, while others claim that it has fallen from the sky and landed somewhere on the Earth. Is there really no reasonable explanation for this phenomenon? Let's find out in today's video. First, we need to figure out how long the moon has been missing. When the moon is in its natural orbit, we can easily spot it in the sky. However, things change when we take a closer look. However, there are many theories about where the moon might be. But wait, there's more. Some say the moon was kidnapped by aliens. But wait, there's more. Others say that the moon fell from the sky. But how can a giant rock fall from the sky? What do you think? Where is the moon? Do you think it was kidnapped by aliens or did it fall into a black hole?